According to Dr. Steven Pinker at Harvard University, who studied languages for 35 years of his life, languages are very important to humankind. It's a way for us to connect with each other and to share our knowledge. Currently, there are 7,000 languages being spoken all over the world. So then we might ask ourselves, why the sudden interest in specifically learning English? Many students want to learn English because this has become the global language in a variety of fields, such as the tech industry, the travel industry, the hospitality industry, and a variety of other fields as well, like starting a business. And becoming proficient in the English language just opens up a world of opportunities to these students, as they can now embark on journeys such as studying abroad programs, international travel, and even the potential to work at multilingual companies or international companies. Are you passionate about language teaching? Then this course is definitely for you. You are a passionate language teacher, or if you're just a digital nomad that wants to teach online from anywhere in the world, or you're an enthusiastic traveler that wants to earn an income while also studying and living abroad. I'm Jane van Rensburg and welcome to this TEFL course. This is a comprehensive TEFL course that's going to teach you all the basics of TEFL, teaching methodology, the modernized methods that they're currently using at international schools abroad in Southeast Asia, as well as the teaching methods that's being used currently by international online companies. So to tell you a bit about myself, I studied and worked in Bangkok, Thailand for most of my teaching career, about 6 to 7 years. I had the opportunity to also obtain my bachelor's degree specifically in teaching English to speakers of other languages, so this has become my passion and therefore I've brought you this course. The TEFL course, unlike most traditional courses, will not only provide you with the knowledge in foreign language instruction, but also guide you through the job application stage, online or abroad. So once you've completed this course, Udemy will automatically reward you with your TEFL certificate, and then you can start embarking on your teaching journey, whether this be online or you want to apply for a job abroad. In this course, we foster cross-culture understanding, and also we want to make a positive impact in classrooms all around the world. Discover a new passion and start your teaching adventure. Enroll now.